Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making Instant Pot coconut rice. For this easy recipe, we need white rice. I'm using jasmine rice. You can also use basmati or any kind of white rice. So we need 1.5 cup of white rice and a can of light coconut milk. The reason why I'm using light and not full fat is because of the Instant Pot. When you're using full fat, some models, they tend to create a burn message. So it's important to use the low fat one. And for 1.5 cup of rice, I'll use 1 can of coconut milk and 1/2 cup of water. Now, I don't rinse my rice, but if you do rinse rice, it absorbs some of the water and you would use 1/4 of a cup. But for dry rice, I will use 1/2 cup. And I will also have 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1/4 of teaspoon of salt. And you can omit the sugar if you like, it's up to you, but it really enhances the flavor. So now I'm going to open up the lid of the Instant Pot and I will add 1.5 cup of white rice. And now I will add 1/2 cup of water. And I will add a teaspoon of sugar. And 1/4 of teaspoon of salt. And now I will add a can of coconut milk. Let's close the lid of the Instant Pot. Turn the valve to a sealing position. Press the pressure cook button and set the time to 4 minutes on high pressure. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so let's let the pressure release naturally for 10 minutes. Now it's been naturally releasing pressure for 10 minutes, so at this point we're going to quick release the remaining steam. Now the steam has been released and the pin has dropped, so let's open the lid of the Instant Pot. And here is perfectly cooked coconut rice. It looks amazing. And now I can just mix it. Perfect. This is a delicious coconut rice with a perfect texture and coconut flavor. You'll love it. Now let me take the rice out of the Instant Pot. Perfect. So easy to make. I'm so excited about trying it. It looks so good. Let's try it. Look at this nice fluffy texture. It tastes amazing. You're going to love making coconut rice in the Instant Pot. It's so easy and tastes so good. For a free printable recipe and other easy Instant Pot recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!